Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to let you know that this week we do not have new spelling words because I feel like you guys have done a great job at practicing your spelling words and learning your spelling words. But if we were in class, we would also be learning skills that go along with the spelling words. I don't just pick random spelling words to give to you. Ideally, we are learning the concepts that go along with them. So this week I wanted to pause for a second. You still have word work, but it's going to be refreshing, making sure that you have the skills of the words that we've already done. So that way moving forward, you have those skills that we can build on. That's also going to help you in your reading, because knowing those skills and being able to spot them in the words is going to be able to help you sound out the words and help you read the words better. It's also going to help you in your writing because you'll be able to say, oh, I know that sound, I know this rule, I know how to spell this word, or at least I know how to spell this word a little bit more closely to how it's supposed to be. So what I wanted to do with you today is to talk about digraphs, which was our spelling words just last week. And a digraph is two or more consonants next to each other that work together to make one sound. So remember, our alphabet is made up of two different types of letters. There's vowels, and then there's consonants. We only have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y is a vowel, but we have 5 main vowels. The rest of the letters are consonants. These are some of the common digraphs that we see most often, but this is not all of them. So CH together does not say it says ch. CH together. Anytime we see CH together in a word, we're always going to say ch, like a choo, chew, train. Okay? Ch, ch, chew. PH does not say p. It says f, like F. Like in phone. PH makes the F sound. And friends, these letters and the sounds that they make, it doesn't matter if they're in the beginning of the word, if they're in the middle of the word, or if they're at the end of a word. The word digraph itself has a digraph in it. It has that PH. And we say digraph. Do you hear that sound like an F? And then we have SH. SH doesn't say sh. It says shh, like you're being too loud and I want you to quiet down. Shh. SH says shh. TH is one of the most common. We got the, we got this, we got so many different kinds of theirs. TH we see all over the place. There's 2 sounds for TH, and I'm going to link a video underneath this video that teaches you a fun way to learn and remember the digraphs. And she does a really good job of showing you how to make and form the 2 sounds for TH. So there's one where you have to push your tongue through your teeth like the. It's a more harder sound, the. But then there's other sounds that when it's the quiet sound and our tongue is inside our mouth. So make sure to watch that video because she does a really good job explaining the TH sound. And then WH doesn't say wh. It says like whale, like where, okay? So WH says you can only hear one sound when you say each digraph. So it's 2 letters that go together to make one sound. And I like to do this with my fingers so I remember. It's 2 letters, but they go together to make one sound, okay? Whereas it's different from a blend. A blend is 2 letters that go together, but you hear both of those letters. So my fingers are still right next to each other, so I see that I have to make 2 letter sounds. But with a digraph, they go together to make that one sound. Down here, here's some examples, and it just says to fill in the blanks with the digraph that goes there. So this is a thumb. thumb. What digraph says for thumb? We're doing this Dora style today, guys. I hope you said TH. All right. The next one is whistle. What digraph says for whistle? Did you say WH? If you did, you were right. This is a big one. Oh, let me move this up a little bit. This is a big one that I know you guys know of. Phone. Phone. There's no F up here, but which digraph said for phone? You guys knew it, right? You said PH. I know you did. Because you guys are so super smart. Cheese. Cheese. Which digraph did we learn that said cheese? CH, right? And the last one, sheep. Sheep, remember? Sheep was SH. Good job. All right, guys. I hope that some of you are learning this, some of you are reviewing it, and that's okay. But I hope that it makes sense to you. Remember to check out the short video that I'm going to link below this video. She teaches you some movements, and it's always better to learn when we can get our body to move. We remember it better and we learn it faster. I said those totally backwards. We learn it faster and we remember it better. And she makes it really fun. So check out that video, and then there is a practice exercise too where you're going to have to click and drag. And you guys are going to do great and fantastic. Have a great day.